Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Mitchell International Auto Claims and Repair Solutions. Review my usage experience. Mitchell International Auto Claims and Repair Solutions offers a platform for managing and reviewing auto claims and repair solutions. It's primarily aimed at insurance companies, auto body shops, and potentially even individual consumers needing to assess repair estimates. Key features likely include damage assessment tools, repair cost estimation, and potentially a database of parts and repair procedures. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Their website emphasizes accuracy and efficiency in the claims process. They highlight features designed to streamline workflows and reduce processing times. They claim to offer pricing tailored to specific needs, though specific details aren't readily available without an account. Availability is likely dependent on the user's location and type of business. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Mitchell International Auto Claims and Repair Solutions. For this review, I accessed a demo account provided by a friend in the auto body repair business. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process was intuitive, guiding me through a virtual tutorial that covered the main functionalities. Navigating the interface was pretty smooth, although the sheer volume of data initially felt overwhelming. I specifically used the damage assessment tool to estimate the cost of repairs for a fictional fender bender. The tool was detailed, requiring me to input various parameters, but the resulting estimate felt realistic and comprehensive. The software performed flawlessly during my usage, it was fast and the results were accurate. I didn't have to interact with customer support during my test, but based on my friend's experience, their response time seems to be quite good. I was really impressed by how much information the system compiled, providing a comprehensive overview of the repair process. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, making it less convenient for on-site assessments. It took me a little while to fully grasp the advanced features related to parts ordering and supply chain management. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Mitchell International Auto Claims and Repair Solutions. It's a powerful tool, especially for professionals in the automotive repair and insurance industries. That's my overview of Mitchell International Auto Claims and Repair Solutions. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.